Hey everybody, I did a quickie mallet smash the other day, um, and I love how it turned out. This is just a 6 by 12 inch canvas, so I'm going to use the same colors today on this 16 by 20 canvas. I've already covered it in my white house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. Let me put my gloves on. And the colors I'm using are Arteza. I've got Payne's Gray, Violet, Prussian Blue, and a gold mixed with some copper. So let's get started with our puddles. Whoa, that's a big puddle. And let's do one more. Now for the violet. Hope everybody's having a good day. And these paints are also mixed with Floetrol and water. Now for the gold mix. And I tried to tilt as much white off this canvas as I could because I don't want the white interfering very much. So I tried really hard to tilt it till it wouldn't tilt anymore. So hopefully, but I can see the white pooling around my puddles. So there's still some excess, but I suppose I can't get all of it or else I shouldn't just cover the canvas. I'm using bigger puddles than I usually do. All right. Turned out perfect. Turned out looking from where I'm standing pretty much like the other one. I love it. Where's my torch? Yeah, it looks almost exactly like the other one. So you could have a big mommy one and a little baby one. So that's that one and that one. So the pattern is a little bit different, but the colors are the same. This got some great cells and lacing. Super happy with this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.